Hey everyone, it's Val here, and I'm back with another video. I know it only seems like I only make a video like once per season, I guess. But I'm back with another FabFitFun video, and I can't show the box because, well, they decided to put the shipping label on the box, like on the top, which is where I would like take a picture from. So that's not gonna happen. I don't want you guys seeing my address. But I will show, I guess, the side of the box. It's floral. And yeah. But I'm going to open the box. I guess my thumbnail's kind of ruined, but that's okay. Just don't want anyone seeing my address, you get what I mean? Okay, so first of all, while I'm opening the box, I do want to mention that I've started a Poshmark. I have started a Poshmark, and I have listed a few items there, but I'll leave my Poshmark link down below. And then second of all, it's freaking hot, okay? I had my fan on, but I turned it off so you guys wouldn't really hear it. Let me just try opening it. It's more difficult to open than it normally is. Hold on. Let me open it and then I'll get back. Okay, got it open, and I took a thumbnail with this part. But yeah, so let's go ahead and see what's inside. So first things first, which they always have, is a little magazine. This one, paper. The other one hasn't been, it's been like glossy paper. This one's like a matte paper. So this is the magazine, and on the front we have Padma Lakshmi. Padma Lakshmi. So now let's go ahead and open it. So we've got $45 wine credit, HelloFresh, which they always do. And then they've got a few things in here. Let's see. I don't know what to open first. So the first thing, I guess, that they put in here was the Glow Milk. The Beauty Crop Glow Milk, nourished with coconut and argan oil. What is this? Liquid radiance in a bottle. Create a long-lasting lit from within look with our champagne-colored liquid highlighter enriched with coconut glow milk. Hydrates while illuminating the skin. So that's what it is. Don't know really what it is, but okay. So that's item number 1. Item number 2. Ooh, the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. I want to get my eyebrows done. Or at least like pluck them. But I've never tried this before, so I'm kind of excited to try that out. By the way, I'm wearing lipstick and I put some powder on. I had a class, a Zoom class, and my face was really red last class. So I put some just powder because I don't want to put freaking tinted moisturizer. So I just put powder. And I was like, why not put some lipstick on? But I'll leave the link down to this lipstick as well. It's Sephora collection. The Sephora collection. I forgot what it's called right now, but yeah. So the second thing that I got is this Perfect Repair Treatment Mask. Bamboo stem cell. It's for hair. I wonder what it smells like. I like smelling things. It smells nice. So this is for hair. So how am I supposed to use this? So technically, just use it in the shower. And you leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes. The next thing that I got was also some little hair clips. These are kind of cute. Don't know if I'll use them, but we'll see. We'll see. And then I see this. I see this. It's this Petty in a Box Deluxe 4-Step Pumpkin Spice. Includes 2 complete 4-step pedicure kits, sea salt soak, sugar scrub, mud mask, massage butter. I don't know if I'll use this, but we will see. We shall see. We shall see. And then I chose these. These are the blue light, the Nectar blue light glasses. And I chose these because I am on screens a lot. I'm on my phone a lot. I play video games. I'm watching TV a lot. And then I'm a cashier at work, so I'm like on a register a lot. So I did choose these. Let's put them on. And also I chose them because I wanted to wear glasses. I don't know. Do they make me look cute? I don't know. I kind of think I look kind of funny. I think I look kind of funny in glasses. You can see yourselves. See? Hello. Okay. I don't know. I might wear these, maybe. They're blue light glasses. They might be beneficial for work. Next I got this Beyond Yoga. I think it's the infinity scarf. I didn't choose it, but it's okay. Oh no, what fell? Something fell and now I have to pick it up. I think I see what fell. Okay. So this is the Beyond Yoga infinity scarf, I think. It seems comfortable. Well, I'll try that on later. I like scarves. Hopefully I like that scarf. And then the last thing is something that I chose. This is the Mia Melange basket. So I don't think I'll open this, but this is what it looks like. So that's nice to have. So I am since I started like the FabFitFun subscription, I have been like collecting a lot of things, or like choosing a lot of things that could be used for home, because next year I hope to go to Colorado, and I want to have like a lot of stuff for like home stuff. So that's that basket, and I got a rug like of 2 boxes ago, I think. Maybe 3 boxes, I think last fall, I don't know. But anyways, so that's all I got in my box. I only have the basic subscription, so I think I choose 3. I chose the glasses, a little basket. I thought I chose more. I thought I chose something else. I don't know. But I chose 3, I think, and then I got the rest. It's random. But yeah. So that's what I got in my FabFitFun box. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me this video a thumbs up. If you guys would like to see more of my videos, subscribe down below. I know I don't post that much. I really want to wait till I get a camera, and that's in the works. I've been saving up for a camera. But I do want to wait till I get a camera to make more videos. I don't really like making videos on my phone that much, because it just takes up a lot of space. So yeah. And yeah, so I'll see you guys next time, and also comment down below if you guys have FabFitFun, and if you do, what has been your favorite thing from the fall 2020 box. And I will see you guys next time. Bye everyone.